So to create this glam SFX makeup with a spooky twist, I start off by removing any makeup on my face, like on the part of my face where I'm gonna be applying the latex. After that, I take some thin toilet paper and cutting them into smaller pieces before I start applying them onto my mouth using liquid latex. And this stuff smells really strong, and it is really heavy on my eyes, like my eyes started to water so bad. So you want to be a little bit careful with that. Then I did this step between 3 to 6 times depending on how thick I wanted the skin to look. I also don't apply any latex onto the center of the first couple of layers just because it will be much easier to poke a hole in that later. Once it has completely dried, I'm taking a foundation and applying it over the latex to make it look more like my skin before I'm setting it with a loose powder. And then to make it look more realistic, I also took a matte rosy blush and applied it over the foundation. Now I'm just taking a plastic spatula maybe? Or whatever it is called, and I'm beginning to poke some holes into the latex to open up my mouth. Then I'm also taking some scissors and really carefully so I don't cut myself, I start to cut off small parts of any excess latex and paper. Then I'm bringing out a black watercolor and start to fill in the mouth part. I also took a red cream makeup and dotting it on using a makeup sponge, and I'm applying this all over the black and around the edges. Now I'm taking this plastic, this plastic thingy again, and I start to poke holes into the latex. And then using a dull needle, I start to thread some vintage looking twine through the holes I just did. And then I just tuck in the remaining little piece of twine inside the mouth part. Now you could leave the look like this as well, but I think it looks a little bit better with some blood. So to finish it off, I'm applying the blood all over the mouthpiece, and using a stippling sponge, I stipple the blood around the mouth and also down my neck. And that's what I did to create this creepy yet pretty makeup. And the best part is that you can still drink and eat as long as you do it using a straw. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and subscribe for more videos coming up every Saturday.